Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Technology Tricks. So today I am going to tell you that how to read WhatsApp deleted messages. So let's open the Play Store and download an application for it. Click on search bar and type here recover deleted messages unseen chat. Now open the second number application recover deleted messages and install this application. An application has installed, so let's open it. Click on the next button, next, click on done. Now click on allow storage. Click on allow notification. Now on the button of the last option, allow it for the notification access. So finally we are done with the application setting. Now let's check the application. And this is the application interface. At the first option conversation, we can read our unseen deleted messages. And second option is deleted media. Third option is download status. Fourth one is smart kit and fifth one is voice notes. So let's check that how it works. Guys, if someone sent you a message on your WhatsApp and delete it immediately, then the message will be saved in that recovery app. So let's see how it works. As you can see here, my friend sent me a message and deleted it immediately. Let's check the message. Open your WhatsApp. So here is this message was deleted. Now you can see that message in that recovery app. Open the conversation, open the chat. So look, here is the message. My friend has sent me this message, Technology Tricks. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe Technology Tricks.